Bonefish on. Another one. Oh yeah. Stop. Stop.
Oh my gosh.
Just hold the boat here. Mickey's hooked up.
Got a nice bonefish on. We just saw a big school of them swim up. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Feel good to be back, Vicky?
Mm-hmm. Feels good to be back on the flats. Take a break from the offshore. Very little. See him? See him?
Nice bonefish.
Look at him. You guys see him?
There he is. There he is. Coming right to the net. Not hooked good. Nice. Good job.
Well, he's hooked in the net.
Yeah, baby!
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're on the board.
That's a big one too. He's nice. Bruiser bonefish in the net. Going for a slam today, guys. So this is the first species of 3. We're checking off our list. We got to target some permit and tarpon. All right, bonefish in the net. I'm gonna get in the water, release him in the water. There we go. Look at this beautiful bonefish.
Put the net deeper. And then just grab him with 2 hands.
Beautiful bonefish here on the flats of Biscayne Bay. Gorgeous guy. We're gonna let him go. Wanted to keep him in the water so he has better chances of survival. Looks like he's ready to go though, huh?
Yep.
There he goes.
Slippery sucker. Alright, come on, show me.
Oh, there he goes.
Awesome. Good job, Ryan.
We're hooked up right now. They're all swimming this way.
Bro, you know how hard that was to chase that?
Yeah.
I understand. Keep your look at them all there. There they are.
I'm trying, dog.
I know you're trying. You just
I'm keeping him tight. I'm keeping him tight. Keep him tight. Permit.
They're with it. Get ready! Following the ray, you see that?
Yep.
Look at that, he's following an eagle ray, Ryan. See him? You can see it.
Look at it. Ryan, stand up. Look how cool. There's a ray behind him, or a shark.
There's more permit behind him.
Get your crab, bro. Get your crab.
Keep it to the GoPro.
Here. Here. Stay tight. Stay tight.
Okay.
You got it right there. Is your
I'm
crab.
right.
Yeah. Little behind, but maybe not.
He turned around.
Yep.
Turned around.
Might be on. You're on, Ryan. Get ready. He's on here. See the other fish right there? You're on. You're on. That's right, Cheech! Come on! That's right!
Set the camera for us?
No,
That's
you're good,
right.
you're good, you're good.
Hey, Vicky, we gotta watch ourselves here.
Here.
Oh my god, look at him waking. Look at him riding the surf. Alright, here we go now. After mine's right.
Look at my tail down the wave. How sick that is. Look at
I
that.
know. All of them are doing that. Cool.
Brian's fish is way smaller.
Okay. You wanna go to his?
No, I want to like go towards yours because he's gonna work his
Okay.
fish.
Woo! Nice, perfect.
Vicky's hooked up. 2, 1, 2. There's one.
You land your own fish. Get him, babe. Get him.
He swam right out of it.
All right, here, Vicky, let's get yours.
Yeah. Good job.
Putting them there.
Boy worked his butt off to get us over there.
Now we're going for a tarpon, right?
Woo!
Come on. Don't count us out, baby. Don't count us out.
I like it. All right, we got one in the net. Going after mine now. Right here.
So you gotta break it now. Nice and easy. Got him.
Come on, turn, buddy. He's feisty.
Well, when he turns like that, you got him. That's it. Now, when
Go reel down. Let him run. Let him run. Think this thing's okay though?
Yeah.
Ah!
At least you caught it though. We got the double release.
Drop the camera and grab it, bro. Drop the camera and grab it. Nice. Nice. Good job.
Woo! We just doubled up on permit here on the flats. Woo. Look at these guys. Take a little pic. What do you got, Cap? I'm doing a little video right now.
Woo!
Good job, guys. Double up.
Almost had the triple.
Almost.
We'll take it though.
Good job.
Oh. Are we
Beautiful.
going for a tarpon for a slam? Have we decided that or what?
Yeah,
I think we are. Okay, guys. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right. Just doubled up on permit, like I said. We took a couple pics in the water. We're reviving these beautiful permit and not ready to let them swim off. You guys ready? All right, let's go. Come on.
Doesn't want to leave her.
Ah! Oh my God! It almost
Didn't want to leave her.
Go, baby, go! Woo! Hell yes! High fives, guys! Good job! Hello! Yes! Okay, we're going for tarpon now. Try to get the slam. We got the bonefish. We got the permit. Let's go catch some tarpon, guys. Let's go. Wow, look at all these tarpon. Oh my God, look at her tail.
Did they bomb it?
Look at his tail.
Oh, they're turning at us now.
Good. Perfect. Oh, so one of them's gonna go for it. One of them's gonna go for it. Come on, guys. One of them's gotta eat that. That one in the end.
Swam right by it.
Freak.
Stay.
You might throw a crab or not?
No.
Okay.
Throw one more shot. Till the fish. Push back. He's looking for it. Push back.
Wanna throw?
What's that? Where do you throw?
School of tarpon behind us would not eat.
20 pounds.
They're
Those
just
shrimp, that shrimp,
cruising. These things are just cruising.
I don't know. Wow, that was so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Watch this. If you watch them, you're gonna see them. See them.
Yeah.
you want me to put
Gonna go
another shrimp or
right.
no?
Look at him still tailing
I
it.
like that shrimp throwing it, bro. I think one's gonna get gulped eventually.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for many more fishing videos from me in the future. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it.